outside. How about that?
Severe thunderstorm warning number 395 remains in effect until 10 p.m. and now includes the following county: Hudson County, New Jersey. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including light hail and damaging winds. And close to the watch area, while severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen to later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.